Hey guys, I'm here today to show to you my latest program or latest tool that I created using Python, Selenium, Pandas, library, WebDriver, right? And Beautiful Soup. And yeah, this is a simple program. Usually the um, you can get a Chrome extension to scrape Google Chrome, but this one it's the safest way because it uses user agent. Right? User agent, for instance, you have logins or you have logins for Google Chrome or you have you have user agent for Chrome, for Firefox, Opera, or any browser that you're using on this on your computer. Okay, and all of the data that's going to be scraped are going to be saved on distribution.csv because right now I'm going to scrape for distribution companies in Canada, and this for my client. And this is going to be, it's not this is not easy, okay, if you're going to do it manually. But let's see, we're going to run the application, okay? That's maps.py. Going to run. As you can see, it asked me to enter a Google Maps search query. I already have that. And this is distribution companies in Toronto, Canada. I excluded some term on the search like jobs, warehouse, freight, recycling, retail, consumer groups. Okay, going to run that, and as you can see here, it will going to open up Google Maps. And as you can see, you're not logged in to Google to your Gmail. Okay, it only going to scrape Google Maps using Selenium browser. And as you can see, it's scrolling down as it will go not going to stop until it reaches the end of the search. Okay, because I'm not, as you can see, my mouse is here. I'm not scrolling on that Google Maps search. It's doing its thing. Okay. And the best thing about this Python code that I created is that once it stops scraping and you want to search, find, extract another query in Google Maps, it will going to append the the data to the existing data in CSV file. As long as the file is in here in this directory, it will going to keep on scraping until it's done. As you can see, it reached the end of the list, but we're not going to close the Selenium browser. It will going to automatically close, and it will going to tell us that the scraping completed is added to distribution.csv file. Okay, let's wait for that, and it may take a little while because that's probably 100 plus. Yeah, 100 plus data, right? I mean, column. Now, it may take a few more minutes. Okay. All right. As you can see here, it says scraping completed, added 121 new result for distribution companies in Toronto, Canada. And it's already been saved in distribution.csv file. Now it will going to open up the pane in here, the navigation pane, and let's see distribution. As you can see here, as you can see uh, it uh, it's saved on the CSV file. Okay, and it got the phone number, the name of the company, and probably the website is on the last page or on this. Yeah. Okay. And if we're going to, as you can see, it's 122. Okay, if you're going to search for another search query, let's go to Montreal, Canada. Okay, and we're going to run the file, enter the search query, and the Selenium browser will going to open again. It will going to scrape again the search query. Okay. Okay. For now, I'm going to stop the video, and then I'll once it's done, I'm going to go back and then I'll show to you the data that's being scraped under this search query, which is in Montreal, Canada. Okay. I'll see you on the I'll see you once the scraping is done. Okay. Well, we're going to stay, and then we're going to wait until the scraping is done, and then once it appends the data to the CSV file, that's the time I'm going to stop the video because it may take time. Right? It may take a few minutes or probably well, just a few seconds. And yep, it already reached the end of the list. We're not going to close this out because it will going to have an error and it will not going to successfully append the data to the CSV file. Just bear in mind we have 122 rows, and as you will see here it will going to append the data once the Selenium browser closes, and it will going to show up here. Just a few more seconds, and we will see the outcome in here. Okay. Okay, this may take a few seconds more. Okay, it's done. All right, you see there? All the data that was scraped, it's been appended. Okay, yeah, until you keep on scraping for any data in Google Maps, it will keep on appending in here. And if you want to open this up in MS Excel, you can do that by going to the folder. Okay, as you can see, it's in here, it's distribution company. Hold on, it's this one. Here. We're going to double click on that. You can see it's in here. Okay, it's all in here. Okay, and you can also append this. And you also use the if you want to direct the data to Google Sheet, you can also do that. But you have to open or you have to create data sheet, or yeah, you have to create a project in Google Console. Okay, until then, thank you very much. Have a good day.